A spiritual person and a materialistic person are both seeking the same infinite. One is seeking it consciously, the other one unconsciously. Volunteering means to become willing, or in other words, to become an absolute yes to life. Allowing this life to flower into its fullest possibility is what life is about, is what yoga is about, is what spiritual process is about. Whatever the shape of eyes or nose, a joyful face is always a beautiful face. Become joy, become beautiful. Integrity is not about the action, but its purpose. Are you doing it for everyone's well being or for your own benefit? Self transformation is not just about changing yourself, it means shifting yourself to a completely new dimension of experience and perception. If you want everyone to fall in love with you, the first thing is you must fall in love with all of them. Without raising human consciousness, whatever we do in the world will only lead to more and more suffering. If you become a source of joy by yourself, you will have wonderful relationships. When sounds are in tune, they become music. Out of tune, they become noise. It is the same with you. When all aspects of you are in tune, you become music. Out of tune, you become noise. The source of creation is subtle. Only if you make your body and mind shut up, it will speak. Indian classical music is a sound statement about the profoundness of life. On Mahashivratri, at the foothills of Velangiri, you are at the right place at the right time. If you keep yourself receptive, this can be a night of awakening. If you love someone, you should do what they like for them, not what you like. When devotion arises, life becomes profound. Be it nationality, religion, or brand of clothes, people identify themselves with just about anything. In trying to bring stability to their lives, they only celebrate their limitations. That is not the way of life. Truth is not hidden, you are hiding from it. Our lives become beautiful not because we are perfect. Our lives become beautiful because we put our heart into whatever we do. Yesterday lives only in your mind. Most of your desires are not really about yourself. You just pick them up from your social surroundings. Light comes and goes. Darkness is always. It is the basis of existence. Confusion is better than stupid conclusions. In confusion, there is still a possibility. In stupid conclusion, there is no possibility. Religions divide. Spiritual process includes. The very way you breathe, sit, stand, eat, walk, work, everything can become yoga. You can use any process of life to transcend your limitations. In the vastness of the cosmos, everything is going perfect, but one nasty little thought in your mind can make it a bad day. That is lack of perspective. It is not how much you do, how you do it is what makes life beautiful. Whether you experience stress, anger, fear, or any other kind of negativity, there is only one basic cause: being ignorant of your inner nature. My work is not with Hindus, Muslims, Christians, or anyone else. My work is with human beings, wherever they are.